Sean-nós dance is an Irish style of dance. It's a very relaxed style with low to the ground steps. It's not like the step dancing that you think of when you usually think of Irish dancing. It's all improvised, your arms are very loose, everything is relaxed. You don't usually move around much in your space that you're dancing in. They say a good dancer can dance on a silver platter and a great dancer can dance on a penny. So you're not moving around much. A lot of times people will dance on a barrel or on a table. It started in the kitchens in Ireland when they used to have sessions together in their houses. So dancers didn't have a lot of space to dance in. There are a lot of things I love about Sean-nós dance. One of the big things is that everyone has their own style. You develop your own style. And of course everybody kind of starts learning the same steps, learning the steps that their teacher has, but then you learn how your body works with those steps, and you take them and you make them your own, and you make your own steps. And another thing is that you're not just a dancer when you're doing Sean-nós dance, you're also a musician. So you're not just there to be the center of attention, you're there to draw attention to the music rather than necessarily take the attention away from it. And so when you go and play with live musicians, they really appreciate what you're doing because you're doing it with them instead of them just playing music for you. And the last thing I love about Sean-nós dance is that because it's such a relaxed style and because everybody kind of just develops their own steps and their own style, it's really fun for everybody. Anybody can do it. Back in Ireland, kids start dancing when they're 3 and they dance all the way up until they die, basically. So it's a really fun style, and I hope that you'll give it a try and you'll enjoy it as much as I do.